What's going on, guys? 727 cards here, the break of Parkhurst 2016-2017 hockey. Haven't done any hockey on the channel yet, so we'll do it now. I don't do hockey, and figure it'd be fun. Haven't done a video in a while. Alright. There's like a lot of packs in here, so bear with me. If I could get it open, that'd be cool too. Alright. Look at that. $120 cards in every pack. Mix them up. Let's see what we got. Never seen these before, so should be cool. Alright, I like the design. Bo Horvat, Marion Gaborik, Kyle Palmieri, Nick Foligno, Bobby Ryan. That's cool. NHL Centennial Salute. Patrice Bergeron. Not numbered. Insert though. Dylan Larkin. Nazem Kadri. Justin Bailey. And Steve Santini rookie. I'll recap all the rookies and hits at the end, so don't worry. Alex Weinberg, Corey Perry, Connor Hellebuck, Ovi, DJ Brody, and, oh, that's nice, Corey Crawford, Protectors of the Net. I think that might be, no, it's Carey Price. That was the card on the box. Non-numbered, just insert. Nicholas Backstrom, David J. Harney, Jesse Poljare, and David Perron. Jordan Martinook, Brandon Saad, Eric Carlson, Ryan Spooner, Alex Stern, Gabriel Landeskog, Chris Letang, Marcus Kruger, Evan Rodriguez, and Mikhail Sergavic. David Pastrnak, Eric Johnson, Boone Jenner, Roberto Luongo, Nick Foligno again, and what's this? Alec Martinez. Scoring a cup-clinching goal in overtime. Centennial Salute. It's pretty cool. I like this. I like the designs of these. Chris Kunitz, Alexander Barkov, Fredrik Gauther, and Pavel Zacha. 140 cards, man. A lot of cards. Big break here. For me. Bo Horvat, once more. Marion Gaborik, Bobby Ryan, Ovi, Ryan Callahan. Nice, there's a bolt. It's a red refractor, red end. Usually they are green. That's an insert. Jeff Skinner, Dylan Larkin, Nadim Kazari, and our rookies are Matthew Tkachuk and Gustav Forsling. Then I got a bolt insert. Okay. Ooh, I see something shiny. Tyler Ennis, Noah Hannafin, Ryan McDonough, Connor Murphy, and Justin Bailey. Rookie Parade. Proof. That's pretty cool. I love that prism design. Two of my teams, the Bolts and the Sabres. Nice. Damian Severson, Alexander Barrows, and our rookies are, three rookies, nice. Jacob Chushin, Chris Bregas, and Zach Hyman. It's actually the first rookie I know is Hyman. Nice inserts. few more packs left. Some are thicker than the other ones, so I don't know. But Carl Soderberg, Jay McClellan, Johnny Gaudreau, Matthias Ekholm, and nice all-star favorites, Jamie Benn, not numbered, Brian O'Reilly, James Van Riemsdyk, Evan Rodriguez, Miguel Serchev, and Adam Larson, all rookies. I'm liking the product so far. I don't get much hockey, so I needed some hockey inventory. It's a good inventory. Crosby, Brian Little, Rick Nash, Rasmus Ristolainen, and Sidney Crosby. Nice. Centennial Salute, Sidney Crosby. I like these Centennial Salute cards. They're really cool. Evander Kane, Alex Pietrangelo, Mika Zibanejad, Hudson Fasching, and Mike Pollock rookies. No falling over on me. Not used to these many cards. One sec. Sorry, if you want to fast forward to the recap, you can. I'm moving slow tonight, I'm tired. But if you want to watch, hey, I'm not complaining. We got a few packs left. We got 4 left. So, won't be too much longer. Hopefully we can pull something out of here. It's nice. Another Bolt, Tyler Johnson, Mike Rabara, TJ Oshie, Brett Burns, Jonas Toskoi, and another red one, Jeff Skinner. Nice inserts. Brendan Gallagher, Blake Wheeler, and Jason Dickinson, and Dominic Simone are the rookies. 3 packs left. Alright. Travis Zajac, Nick Bujstad, Mikael Granlund, Steve Mason, Blake Meow, and Jonathan Quick, Protectors of the Net insert. The inserts are pretty good. Oscar Lindbergh, Cam Ward, Mitch Marner, and Jason Chimera. I like Mitch Marner. He's a good rookie, man. He's going to be really good one day. So is that whole Leafs team, man. Mitch Marner, William Nylander, Austin Matthews. Just need a goaltender. A good goaltender, for that matter. They have a goaltender. Frederik Anderson. But, yeah. Alright, 2 more left. And after this, I'll show you the mail day we got with the review. So, it's a pretty cool mail day. Roman Josi, Chris Weidman, Alex Martinez, Mike Smith, and a rookie red, Pontus Eberg, not numbered. Nick Shore, Ryan Callahan, Dennis Weidman, Alex Werenski, and the rookie is, Zach Werenski rookie. Huh, I'm so used to seeing him. He's a good rookie too. He's gonna pan out. And Tom Kuhnhackl. Something. Alright, last pack. Let's get some last pack mojo in here. Alright. Anything special? I see something. Let's just save it to the end for fun. Kale Janarok, Brock Nilsson, Alex Goligoski, Franz Nielsen, J.C. Lepon, rookie, Jonas Broden, Oscar Klefbom, Alex Petrovic, Evanji Malkin, and another Sidney Crosby. NHL Centennial Salute. Hey, if it's to get a double of anybody, I'll have it be Sidney Crosby. That's fine with me, man. That is perfectly fine with me. That Justin Bailey card is it's really cool. Alright, so we'll go through the hits and the rookies real quick. Lippon rookie, Wierenski rookie, Kunickle rookie, Marner rookie, Dixon rookie, Simon rookie, Fashing rookie, Pollock rookie, Rodriguez rookie, Sergev rookie, Larson rookie, Hyman, Biggers, Chitron, Forsling, Tashuk, Gauther, Zacha, Rodriguez, Sergev, Pulijarvi, Bailey, and Santini. If I pronounce any of those names wrong, that sucks for you. Let me just get these in order. Oh, and the Aberg rookie, that was a red. I'm just trying to get all the salutes together, and all-stars, and netminders, all these fun little inserts. Okay, there we go. These were the quote-unquote hits. Ryan Callahan, Pontius Esberg, rookie, Jeff Skinner, Jaime Ben, all-star, then Centennial Patrice Bergeron, Alec Martin, Corey Crawford protector in the net, quick protector in the net, 2 Crosby Centennials, which are really cool, I think, and our big hit, the rookie parade Justin Bailey. I think there's only one. It's a proof, so it's pretty cool. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and the mail day I got today, I will show you guys right now, and just so you know what was in that break. That's a lot for your money. Alright, so this is what I got the past day. Really cool, I thought. I've been collecting the diamonds. So, I got these both for about $17. As much, $3 less than this. And it's Alshon Jeffrey. Out of 150 on card auto. That's actually from the number. It's not jersey fabric. And this Yeldon I got for like $8. It's just a cool patch, cool auto, and with the Yeldon too. With the Yeldon, the guy actually sent me this as an extra. He wants a crew patch. So for $7, I'll take it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great night, and just so you know, I save the boxes from every break. And if you guys don't believe me, I save the boxes from every break. So, yeah. Y'all don't believe me. So, I like boxes. They're cool. Alright. Well, you guys have a great night, and see you next break.